Goyal Brothers Prakashan presents my Book of Performing Arts series for preparatory and middle stages. The series aligns with NCF recommended curricular goals and pedagogical approach, offers engaging video lessons and guides, and allows learners to immerse in the process where they explore the captivating realm of expression, movement, and sound. Let's learn more about the series. Every chapter begins with learning objectives, providing an overview of the knowledge, specific skills, and artistic competencies covered in the chapter. Engaging illustrations in every chapter bring the performing arts to life with vibrant illustrations to inspire creativity and capture the imagination. In line with NCF's recommendations that before introducing learners to a new concept begin with something familiar, the series features warm-up exercises in the thinking cap section so that learners are ready to get started. To offer a balanced learning experience, the activities are designed to connect theoretical concepts to real-world performance scenarios through hands-on practical activities and experiential exercises that develop artistic skills and techniques. The chapters are designed to be outcome-oriented, that's why the objective boxes are attached to activities to give a clear idea of what curriculum goals will be achieved. Guidance and support are also available for teachers in other forms. For that, we have provided the Teachers' Notes section that includes valuable insights, tips, and suggestions to help teachers facilitate and assist activities. The performing art world is full of legends and interesting facts. The Hall of Fame boxes feature legends of performing arts to inspire learners, while the Did You Know boxes bring fascinating facts and surprising trivia to spark their curiosity. Just like in any other subject, practicing is the key. For that, end of the chapter exercises are designed to assist conceptual understanding and help employ critical thinking, creative thinking, and logical reasoning skills. So that learners get an enhanced learning experience, instructions, demonstrations, and performance videos are available for viewing. The only thing learners need to do is to scan the QR codes via the Merit Box app. In sum, my Book of Performing Arts enables learners to express their inner world and their experiences through music, dance, and theatre, and also helps them learn collaboration, critical thinking skills, and adaptability, which are the skills crucial for the 21st century. Visit meritbox.app to purchase the book or request a sample at info@goyal-books.com or call us at the number on the screen for more information.